Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, and good night because it's midnight Black Moon. You usually know me as Abbas MA, but now I just changed my name because I realized one of my OC's name has the same name as my name from the Crystal Wars. I'm not gonna tell you which one, but one of their first name has. I just realized, oh wow, first name and the last name. Oh no, I'm so screwed if they found out my real name. So I changed it to Night Black Moon. Okay lang kayo dyan. Okay lang, Night Black Moon. Okay na ako dyan. The reason why I made this video is some announcements that I will make, and how do I explain this? Recently, grade 6, I was so active to make videos. Batch 2024 to 2025, shout out naman sa batch ko dyan sa grade 6, sa Labial. Also, a quick announcement kasi okay lang ba talaga kung nag-speak ako Filipino kasi I'm not good with English. I'm only good with Tagalog. Okay? So don't mention me sa mga videos. So joke lang. Pero ito, seryoso. Announcement. Uh, I might not be posting any more new videos because just na nga ako sa school, just pa yung mga videos, Diyos ko po, parang Twitter na ako video. Because I am dealing with school struggles and family problems, not totally family problems, maybe from one. Pero, ito pa is, nakaka-stress at nakakapagod yung high school life kasi may mga group projects at SIPs. Sometimes I'm being the leader, but for some reason, the vice leader has to do much work than the leader. I have no idea what the fudge is that supposed to do, but anyways, I'm getting tired that all this school year is fun, but also I have lots of homework to do later after posting this because grade 8 students, shout out to my grade 8 students dyan. Also, di ba sinabi ko yung word announcement? So, some of my OCs, will the Crystal Warriors, the ones with the crystal on them, will be 50-50% change. The their looks and their hairstyles and the crystal color. I'm not sure if I'm gonna swap their colors because I'm starting to like their colors, but I should really swap it because some don't even match my expectations. Don't worry. And for the reason why there's so many girls and boys, because girls are better than boys. I'm joking. Seriously, I'm joking. Seriously joking. But I'll be back. 50-50% that some will be the same styles. I'm not sure if I'm gonna gender swap anyone because I feel like I should gender swap for the rate of boys and females because I forgot how many women there are, and technically I really don't remember. Also, I already made their past versions, which I'm starting to like. Paper was my favorite past version. I'll share a post to it sometime because I am redoing his past version because he looks like a girl in his with the braids. Okay, seriously, the reason why I made this because sometimes life can be stressful, and I understand that because I finally understand what life is being stressful as a high school student. SIPs, school important pro- important product. I forgot product. Who cares about that anyway? I'm the vice leader there, and I'm technically tired of it. The joke. Well, group leader naman, baka naman. The joke. Also, I'll give out some quick shout outs to y'all, my subscribers. Shout out, mga shout out kayo. I love you. Di mismong shout out to sa mga hindi nakakaintindi. Pero, final announcement ko na to, parang, I'm not sure if I'm willing to quit the gacha community because I reached so many months just to get 100 subs, and now we're finally at 140 subscribers. First, if some really wanted to support, I love y'all's support so much. I really cried out for the 100 subs. I just couldn't take a picture of it because my phone was low back. I just made a post out of it. I'm not sure when will I come back, but pretty sure mga maybe in the few years in the future, even universe future video. But first, last reminder, I love you guys so much, and I wish I could spend. Wish I really make you. Shout out dyan sa mga taga Philippines, yung mga gacho YouTubers. I love you, mga shout out kayo sa akin lahat. Pero I want you all to find my final message is I love you all. Stay safe no matter where you are in the world. Vietnam, pati gusto like shout out to Randy, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and sa lahat ng countries diyan, mga shout out kayo sa akin. I love you all and sana safe kayo lahat diyan. I love you. Kung hindi nyo na naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko ng Filipino, Google Translate nyo na lang. Ang bait kong tao. Okay, so I'll see you guys probably for the next couple of months or years kung kailangan ko mag-decide kung when will I come back to the gacha community. I love you y'all and stay safe. Really, I mean it. Stay safe. I really mean it. I love you guys and see ya next time. Bye. This is Night Black Moon's final message to y'all.